show you the installation of our diode leader spider ring remove machine. Okay, the first step, you need to take the machine out from the box, and then you will find a bag like this with all the small accessories inside it, and then the handpiece of the machine. Okay, the first step is we need to install the handpiece holder. Find this one in the bag with a small screwdriver. Okay. And then we can install the handpiece. Firstly, we will take out this screw. This one is to prevent the dust going inside the machine. Okay. And install the handpiece here. Also okay. Okay, and put this one, keep this one in the bag. Next step, install the foot pedal. In the power cable. Okay, and then you can find the rings for adjust the support size will be in this bag. You can take any one of them according to your needs, according to the spider ring. I take this one for example. Put this in the handpiece. Okay. Connect to power. And then we can turn on the machine.